Type O's are very outgoing and go-getters. They have high standards for themselves and they could do anything that they just set their mind to. These are the type of people that are very flexible and they could adapt to many changes. They make excellent leaders and most likely physically strong. They can be pleasant, sociable, and optimistic. They can also be very vain, dishonest, jealous, and even insolent. They don't care about the little things, but sometimes they can be late to events. Studies from 2017 World Congress on Acute Heart Failure says Type O are least likely to suffer from cardiovascular issues. They are very agreeable and friendly people. Being very optimistic can make them careless sometimes. When it comes to relationships, they are very easy to express their feelings and not really shy to show affection. They are most likely to get ulcers and mosquitoes are highly attracted to them. With Type A's, they both have different personalities. They can cover each other's weaknesses, but sometimes differences can stress them out. With Type B's, it's just such a good pairing when it comes to relationships. Type O is very patient and Type B is very free. Type O have the ability to understand them. Even though Type AB can be very complex, O has the patience to make it happen. With other Type O's, they both like to be very open and frank when it comes to relationships. They do tend to collide with each other when things get very competitive. Interestingly though, Type O's is very versatile, so they get along with every type of blood type. So I didn't know shit about blood types until I was looking up a few articles on how Japanese people find blood types to be very important when it comes to dating. So it made me wonder, like, what are these personality blood types? And is it true? Like, do you know any friends or family members or partners that fall into those categories? Like, let us know. Like, I'm super curious to know what, like, I want to know facts.